Day one, back at training. The step cardio part. The cardio part was a killer. My glutes are burning, okay? So now I'm going to lift a few weights and I'm going to do some sit-ups. Work on this. Day one, that's a wrap. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you saw today, I am doing a total reset. I've started my reset by having an awesome workout this morning and it felt really great. I'm not gonna lie, it was a struggle as you guys saw, but I powered through it and I feel really good. I feel really, really good. So right now I am at the school. I'm getting ready to go in and teach for a couple of hours. But I wanted to show you guys my lunch today. I'm gonna finish my lunch and then go inside. So let me show you guys what I'm having. So for today's lunch, I got me a Cobb salad from Zaxby's. It comes with, of course, lettuce and some tomato. Where's my tomato? Actually, where is my tomato? Oh, there's my tomato. Okay, I'm not gonna use that bread. It's got tomato. I think there's some cucumber in here somewhere. Grilled chicken. It has bacon and it has eggs. You guys know I am not fond of egg, but I went on and got the Cobb salad because I'm going to make myself eat a little egg, get some of that protein in me. But anyway, this is going to be lunch. This is my very first meal of the day. And then I've got my water right here. I'm going to be drinking it all day today. And that's going to be it. That is today's lunch. And I'm going to check back with you guys a little bit later on. Okay, everybody. So right now I'm at the library. I just got off of work at the school and I had to run up to the library to get the DVD of the movie Hamlet. We are going to be watching Hamlet in my class all next week. So, well, this week and probably a little bit of next week, starting tomorrow. And so I wanted to get the version of Hamlet with Mel Gibson in it. I think this is the 1990 movie of Hamlet. But anyway, I was getting ready to buy this online and I thought, well, why don't I go and check the library to see if it's there in the library, you know, because, you know, most libraries carry it. And ta-da, they have it. So I was able to get Hamlet and I am so excited. I love this version. Mel Gibson, Glenn Close, such amazing actors. And so my students and I will begin watching Hamlet tomorrow. So I'm leaving the library now. And y'all, it's really cold and I did not bring anything warm enough to put on. That's a no-no. I would definitely get on to my daughter for that. And look at me. All right, so I really need something warm now. So I'm hoping I'll be able to find something. Find a Starbucks nearby or something. I want a nice hot apple cider. I just got my copy today in the mail. This has been over a year in the making for her. And so I'm just so proud of her and so happy to be getting my copy in the mail. So I'm going to show you guys. It comes with an ink pen. So if you order one, you get a nice ink pen and this beautiful little pen satchel. And it's a gold ink pen at that. Look at that. Nice. Can you guys see? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Very good. My packing slip. She has it wrapped so beautifully. This is her card. That's my baby. See? And this is the planner. I've only seen it via FaceTime and so on and so forth. So this is my copy. Oh my gosh! Look at that! Oh. Wow. Very proud of you, baby girl. Very proud of you. I didn't know if it's gonna cry. So if you don't have your prosperity and purpose planner, I'm going to leave the information here where you can pick your copy up today. Proud of you, Autumn. Love you, baby. All right, everybody, it is actually the next day and I forgot to close out the video. So I'm going to do that now. Thank you guys so much for watching another video here on Sincerely Legenia. If you haven't already began doing a reset and a refocus, then join me. Okay. I'm resetting. I am refocusing, and I am just going to go into this year doing so much better, making sure I start moving this body again. So I'd love for you guys to join me. Guys, it is always a pleasure. And until the next video, it is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day. And I'm going to talk to you next time right here on Sincerely Legenia. Bye, guys.